Hello again, it's Hammer here from Hammer Free Collectibles. Here is a March Spears Monsters, the Monsters and the Wolf Trick or Treat blind bags. Here is gonna be I'm gonna open these bags. And here is the reveal. Werewolf. This is the Frankenstein monster's wife, I guess. And I think the monster that is coming to get you in your bath. Yeah, this is very nice. Thank you, Mark Spears, and thank you, Tasmanian Comics here in Vancouver. Then again, these blind bags are randomly put in these blind bags, but anyway, it's up to you, because this is what do you say, gambling, in which I do not recommend you to do this, because sometimes you'll get duplicates, and yeah, very nice. If you'd like to contact, please give me a like, press the notification bell for more videos like this. Yeah, and if you are a new viewer, please subscribe to my channel. It would be really appreciated. Yeah. Thanks for viewing this video, and bye bye for now.